Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an image into PDF without any specific application. Here I will use only one application, that is Google Drive. So let's start our video. But before that, subscribe my channel and tap on the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. So let's start. So everyone use Drive, so I want to download it. Just open Google Drive. So I'm opening it. Here you can see. Now we will say we all use Drive where we have to scan and where we have to convert an image into PDF. So here you can see the plus. If you click here, you get 6 options. That are folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheets and Google Slides. Click here on scan. If you click here on scan, your front camera will be activated and here you can see towards a white sheet of paper. So I am taking it. Here, if it is not here, you can click on now or right. So now we'll check about this. Here we can crop it. See, it will not crop properly. That's why you can see like this. You can crop however you want. For example, I am taking like this, you suppose. Otherwise, I will choose like this. So here, I have chosen like this. Now, here we can change the year however we want. Here it's color drawing. Here we can take as color or black and white. Otherwise, we can also take it as none. And here. And so many people think this option is for rotate page. No, it's not for rotate page, but it's for retake page. Which if we have got this page wrong, and in place of that we can take another one. And here to add anyone, here you click on place. Here you can add. So I'm adding new pic. Here you can see I have got 2 pics. Now I'll see how to delete a page. Here on 3 dots, you get 4 options. Delete page. So first is delete page. Click on delete page. So I have clicked. Now you can see it's only one. So again we'll see how to rotate the page. If you click here, the page gets rotated. And here you can click on rename scan. We can rename the scan however we want. I am typing it as white sheet of paper. See, now it's been completed. Now here we can also go to settings and here we can change. For example, I can change the image enhancement like all images will be in black and white or color drawing or automatic. We can also choose the paper size. Here we can choose any one. By default it's US letter. And we'll choose about paper orientation. So if we click here, we get 3 options: automatic, portrait, landscape. We can choose anyone, and we'll go to image quality. Here there are 3: low, normal, and low. You can choose whichever. So if you click here the tick mark, the file gets saved. Here you can select any folder and click my drum, and I'll click on the cancel. Here you can see it will get upload. If you click on open, it gets open. See, it got open, right? Now we can all if you click here, you can office for anyone. And here this is enough. If you click on 3, here we can download it, rename it whichever we want. So we can also download it. So just click here and it gets downloaded. So in this video I explained you how to create an image into PDF file. So I have created without any specific application and only Google Drive. which we all use. So thank you, and please like this video, share this video, and comment on this video.